In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and encrypt an email using Microsoft Outlook. Email encryption is an essential tool for maintaining the privacy of your communications, ensuring that only the intended recipient can read the contents of your email. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can protect your messages with ease. Firstly, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. This is the email client we'll be using today. You can typically locate it either on your desktop or by searching for it if you have it installed on your system. Once you have Outlook open, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface where you can manage your emails, calendars, and more. Now, we want to focus on composing a new email, so go ahead and click on the New Email button. This button is usually prominently displayed in the Outlook dashboard, often within easy reach on the top ribbon. By clicking it, you'll open a new window where you can start drafting your message. This is your blank canvas for communicating your thoughts, whether they're personal notes to friends or professional correspondence with colleagues. In this new email window, take a moment to draft your message. You'll need to fill in the recipient's email address in the To field, write a subject line that encapsulates your email's main idea, and of course, the body of your message. Spend a little time here making sure your message is clear and concise, especially if it's an important email. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to secure it through encryption. To do this, direct your attention to the Options tab, which you can find amongst the other tabs at the top of your email composing window. Clicking on Options will reveal additional settings and tools available for your email. Within the Options tab, you will see various features that you can use to customize your email further. What we are interested in today is the encryption feature. Look for the Encrypt option. By clicking on this button, you're essentially locking your message, allowing only the intended recipients to unlock and read it. Email encryption acts like a digital seal for your message, providing an extra layer of security against unauthorized access. After clicking Encrypt, your email is now secured, and you can proceed to send it just like any other email. Once you've double-checked the content and recipient details, simply hit the Send button, and your encrypted email is on its way. The recipient will receive it as usual, but with the added assurance that the message is protected. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully composed and encrypted an email in Microsoft Outlook. With these simple steps, you can confidently send sensitive information knowing that your privacy is maintained. Remember, encryption is an essential skill in today's digital age, ensuring you and your information remain protected. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more of our guides for other helpful tips and tutorials.